Hey, so tonight, basically, I'm feeling a little bit like I want to do something. I have already trained once today, and I did, what did I do? I did power bench, so real heavy, into sumo deadlifts and box squats, into some accessories, so I did pull-ups and I also did some ab work at the end. Yeah, so tonight I'm just going to basically do some more glutes, some cardio on the bike, and yeah, I just want to show you what I'm having for dinner as well, so hold on. So I'm going to have turkey rations, with some pak chowi, I'm also going to cook tomorrow's lunch: broccoli and green beans. Let's take my hair. There's a few other things that I don't go without in my diet. Optimum oils. I normally have that first thing in the morning. Yeah, this as well. Love it. Absolutely love Greek yogurt. Yeah. So this is where I train when I'm at home. Got my bike. And my free weights. For this one, I'm going to wear my sweat belt. So this is where I train when I'm at home. Got my bike. So before I start cardio, I'm just going to put this sweat belt on. As tight as I can. This really does. It just gets you a little bit hotter and you sweat more around the midsection. But other than that, it can also help you to hold the core in a little bit more, but it's not a full set, it's not a waist trainer. So yeah, it's just basically a sweat belt. This is my cupboard. And just, as you can see, all the necessities. One cow. This is the other side. So you've got like all my pulses. So this is kidney beans, buckwheat seeds, quinoa's in the back, brown rice, lentil, maca powder, rice cakes, live off these. This I love. If I'm ever craving something sweet, I tend to have this as long as it fits my macros, of course. So yeah, I tend to have that. It's fairly good with sugar and calories. I think there's, see, okay, you can't see that. There you go. Carbs per 20 grams serving is 17 and sugars is 11. It's not bad. I mean, I wouldn't have it every day. My pumpkin seed spread, I want to eat more of. And my coconut oil. Love this stuff, especially in coffee. Also, if you haven't already, visit let me just show you one of their jumpers. This is bulletproof. They're pretty cool with their logos and everything and what they use, and they're so comfy just to bung on and cozy up, and also to train in as well. But yeah, my code is sadie1. Okay, so it's SADIE and then 1, and that gives you 10% discount. So today, I don't know why I've got headphones because I can't use them while I'm talking to you on here, but I'm going to be doing HIIT. So I'm going to start with 10 seconds slow. It's more of a Tabata, and then go 20 seconds fast, and I'm going to do 10 rounds of that, and then I'll just go into some steady state. Let's go. Okay, so this is what I've done. Done 15 minutes. See that? Looks a bit back to front. Hold on. Okay, I wasn't meant to press reset there. I was meant to press mode. So I done 15 minutes and it burnt around 200 calories. I'm about to go into deadlifts now with some rollouts. This. Gross. An ab roller. And basically, how you use it, I'm going to show you now. But it's really, really good on the shoulders and your entire core, as well as your lower back. So as you can see there, you've got the shoulders working the core and your lats. It works really well. It's a really good full body movement more than just abs. If you want to take more into the upper body as well, just extend further out. Okay, so I'm going to go cook dinner. And I'll show you how it's, what I have and what I cook. Yeah, let's go. I've got my 1 cow spray. Just going to put that into here. 3 squirts. So first I'm going to add the turkey rations. I'm going to have 4 slices. It's around 20 grams of protein. So it's half cooked off. I'm going to add in, this is Pantry. Tear it up into little pieces. And then just wait for it to shrivel up a little bit. And cayenne pepper. Cayenne pepper is really good for the metabolism. It's just hot spice. Cauliflower rice, which I spoke about earlier. It's a really good low carb option if you're dieting. Just bulks out your food a little bit. So yeah, per pack there's, as I said, 6 grams carbs. Really, really good. I'm also going to add some spinach to it. Now I just wait for it to cook. This is one of my favourite meals at the moment because I'm currently on 1800 calories, so fairly low for how I train, but it's more than enough. I'm making sure I'm not overdoing the cardio. So this is my meal, and I'm prepping tomorrow's lunch. So we've got turkey omelette, spinach and green beans and broccoli. So yeah.
got here turkey egg white omelette using this. Brilliant. It's so easy. You literally just pour it in. You don't have to crack any eggs or anything, so it's just really easy to use. And now I'm just waiting on the green beans. I don't like to overcook them because I still like to keep a lot of nutrients in them. So I tend to just steam them a little bit and then, yeah. So before bed, I like to have, what this is Greek yogurt, 100 grams, and half a scoop of my infusion. Yeah, and some cinnamon all stirred together. It's so good. And then I add a little bit of water to make it a little bit more runny because I don't like it thick. And here, if you can see, it's a bedtime herbal tea. It's actually for night. It's got like chamomile and different herbs that help you sleep. It's really, really good. It's called Health and Healthier. Health and Heather. I don't know. Yeah, but it's really nice, and yeah, it's meant to help you sleep. So I take magnesium and HTTP, 5-HTPP. Yeah, I'm going to tuck in, so I'm going to say bye, and like the video, and please subscribe. I am getting a new camera because holding this and going around is really difficult, but I will be getting a new camera with a stand and everything, so fingers crossed I develop in this. I'm sure I will because I'm quite an obsessive person, so yeah, good things to come. So yeah, please subscribe and see you later. Bye!